Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about some basics on video and images. First we will see what is a resolution. First we will understand what is the resolution. Resolution is nothing but the smallest graphic unit on the image. So it is just like a smallest dot or smallest pixel on the graphics. So for example, you are having a image with a certain amount of length and it is a width. The pixel means each and every dot represents in the image, it is called a pixel. So these dots are called as a pixels. So that is the smallest unit in a graphic or a image, that is called as a pixel. Now for example, you are having 32 megapixel of camera. You are having your mobile camera is 32 megapixel. What did you understand on that? So the understanding here is, so 32 megapixel means it is having 6464. 6464 is the length and 4864 is the width. So with that you can multiply that 6464 into 4864. You can see the number of pixels here. So it is having 31.4 megapixels. This is the, as per theoretical, this is having 34.4 megapixels. They have mentioned it is 32 megapixels. Likewise, we'll try to calculate for 12.5 megapixels also. For 12.5 megapixels, 4080 into 3072 is the number of pixels. Here, if you multiply 4082 into 3072, so it is nothing but length. This is the length and the width. So if you multiply length and the width, you are able to get the number of pixels in this image. Now here you can see this is having that 12.5 megapixels. This is how we can understand that with respect to length and the width. If you multiply length and the width in the rectangular image, you can know that what is the area. In that area, how much of pixels are there. So that is the pixels of your camera is capable to capture the image. So that is how you are having 12.5 megapixels, and you can see the number of, depends upon your camera resolution, you will having that many of pixels. Now you will see what is pixel density. We will see now what is pixel density. Pixel density is nothing but it is a, you can understand like pixel per inch. For example, 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. This is 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. For example, I am having 10 pixels. So this is pixel 1 and this is pixel 2. Like that I am having 10 pixels. So in 10 pixels, like that again here 1 and 2, 10. So this is having 10 by 10 pixels. So in 1 inch you are having 10 pixels per inch. So if I want to draw a circle, so this is something it is looking like this. So I need to cross, these are the pixels need to be highlighted. The same thing, if I capture into a 20 ppi, the circle is going to look like this. So you are having 20 pixels here. You can think that it is much better than this circle. So depends upon your camera resolution, and you will be having pixel density. While you are buying your camera, you need to refer that how many pixels are there per inch. That will define your how much of brightness and how much of intense of your image will be, and that is going to be having your clarity of image. So this is something very good factor to determine the camera quality. Now we will learn about what is the aspect ratio. You might have seen that you are having 16:9 or 4:9 loss aspect ratio will be there in general in market. Now we will understand why these different numbers 16:9 and the 4:3, what it mean, what is the aspect ratio. In all the camera, when you take the image, it will show you in which format it should be, either it is 16:9 or 4:3. Further, you need to understand again the same thing. You are having image with a length L and you are having width. So the aspect ratio is nothing but it is the ratio between length and the width of your image. It's simply a length and it is the ratio of your length and the width. Now you can know that there is a standard definition and you are having HD ready and you are having full HD and you are, now it is coming as a 4K, that is Ultra HD, and full Ultra HD, that is 8K. For these all the things, it is having different aspect ratio. It is having some aspect ratio. You can see here the image for 480, that is, this is a 680 into 480. This is called as the standard definition. The image, if you play that image, this will look like this. So this is the area it is looking like. Now if I do the same image into HD display, that means 720 into 480 megapixels. This is how it is look like, 720 into 480 megapixels. The same image can be displayed in full HD display, then this will having 1920 into 1080 pixels. Now we will see how we are getting 16:9 aspect ratio and when you get 4:3 aspect ratio. We'll have some small calculation for that. Now I'll bring my calculator again. You can see here HD means 1920 cross 1080 pixels. So 1920 divided by, that is length, divided by your width is 1080. So this is your aspect ratio. So this is how you are getting 16:9. Now this is what they are telling you, it is a 16:9 is the aspect ratio of display. It will display the exact image. Now the same thing if you do it for even for 4K also, the same fundamental use for 4K display system also. So 4K display system is having length 3840 pixels divided by the width is 2160. Here you are having again the same aspect ratio 16:9. So the full HD and the Ultra HD and the full Ultra HD all will have the same 16:9 aspect ratio. And where this 4:3 aspect ratio, the 4:3 aspect ratio is actually is the SD, standard definition. Now we will see the calculation for 4:3. For example, you are having 460 pixels in length and 480. So this is 4:3. So your standard definition is having aspect ratio of 4:3. So this is how it is looking like. Your standard definition, your TV is looking, if this is a TV, the standard definition looking like a 4:3 aspect ratio, and this is your just plasma TV or LCD TV. This is having 16:9 aspect ratio. This is what about aspect ratio and what is the resolution and what is the pixel per density. And in my next videos, you are going to learn more about what is compound video, what is S video, what is YPBBR. These things you are going to learn how this is going to be. Video is going to convert into different aspects of different standards. Please stay tuned to my channel for further updates. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like my videos. Thank you.